Hello guys! Good evening! Oh, it's me again here, Maria. So, today guys, it's Sundays and tomorrow is still holiday for everyone here in the Philippines. So, how's everyone? How's your Sunday guys? Today is August 25 and my birthday is tomorrow na! See, it's August 26. So, probably we'll go to church. I will go to church with my mother, with my mom, and maybe have a cupcake and a candle to blow. So, no party, no etchos. I get used to wala ka pong handa sa mga birthday. Dati po, yung last birthday ko, wala po. Nasa hospital po kami ng kapatid ko. May isang, wala po ako. Wala nangyari sa birthday ko. So, hopefully, this birthday, God will bless me. More years to live here. And hopefully, God will take care of me and my son and my mom and dad, may mga kapatid, may mga pamangkin. And what I wish is only, I want to be happy. No stress, just be happy. No utang. And hopefully, I'll be in another country sooner. God, please, I need you to do this for me. This is, and hopefully, this will be the best day of my life, I'm already, I'm not young already, I'm already, secret. Yeah, guys, so, thank you guys for everyone who is my new subscriber, who keep watching my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for supporting me, for watching me every time I have posted videos on my channel, and please keep watching me and like my though it's not interesting, though it's no sense, but please just keep liking and following me or subscribing me. Thank you guys for being here. This is not my chance to say that, God, I think God is doing something for me, because before I never think about doing YouTube, but now He taught me not to leave Facebook at instead to focus on YouTube. Thank you guys. Hopefully everyone will having best 4-day holiday, from Friday to until tomorrow. So, we have 4 days, guys. So, hopefully everyone is safe, healthy, and happy. Hopefully this world will be more peaceful, because nowadays it's so much chaotic. There's a lot of police, especially in Davao City right now, in the KOGC, there's a lot of police and they're blocking the highway, by the way. So, and my brother is living in Tibongco, so hopefully everything will end today, and just to live peace, and hopefully everyone is forgiving, yeah. Thank you guys. Tomorrow is my birthday, Virgo season. Ka-birthday ko po si Marimar. Thank you guys for watching me. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Bye for now.